At least when you come to us. So, I stay in Viman Nagar, and coming to Baner for a open mic, it's like traveling all the way to Khandala with your girlfriend for your 4 minutes of pleasure and coming back. Yeah. Now, guys, have you heard this saying, leave the face, fuck the bass? Anyone?
Yeah.
Leave the face, fuck the bass?
Yeah.
No, I actually respect the inner beauty thing, the deep inner beauty. But who the fuck said this, leave the face, fuck the bass? I mean, fuck you, man. Face is important. We love blowjobs. Now, having said this, I think I have totally banked my reputation as a doctor. But anyways, now that we have started,
It's okay if you have a good hand.
so thank you, mate. I recently read about this, that sex makes men more likely to believe in God. Yeah, anyone have you read that? Yeah, sex makes men more likely to believe in God. It's like you are, pumping and humping, and it's and then comes oh God, yeah, and then there is oh God, I'm so sleepy now. Now talking about God, I can't help but remember Baba Ramdev here. If Baba Ramdev comes up with a low-cost Ayurvedic substitute for Viagra someday, yeah, he would call it Shighra Patanjali Booty. For all you English guys and the young guys who don't know what Shighra Patan is, it's like a bolt of lightning, and you are done. Premature ejaculation. Yeah, the timing is low. Now talking about timing, this again it was a study done which says that women want to have sex in the night and men want to have sex in the morning. Yeah, recently I read about this, and I don't doubt this. Women want to have sex in the night because they don't want to have sex with you. They want to have sex with Fawad Khan. Yeah, it's dark, you can imagine anything. Yeah, and given the socio-political situation as of now, I think Fawad Khan can come in only in imaginations. Yeah. Now, and men want to have it in the morning because they are all up in the morning. Yeah.
Sun is not the only thing that rise up in the morning, huh?
So I figured out that the best time to have sex is 11:59 p.m. You start the foreplay at 11:59. You are inside at 12. And oh God at 12:01. I think you forgot the Shighra Patanjali Booty. That's why it's only 2 minutes. Anyways, take it next time. This is the last one, guys. Which is the dirtiest part of your body? Anyone? The dirtiest part of your body? No, like physically dirtiest. It's not the assholes. It's your mouth. And I'm a dentist. Now you know why I talk dirty. Thank you guys. That was Manish Srivastava.